Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31 in two-tone yellow, gold, and steel with a black mother of pearl diamond dial, fluted yellow gold bezel, and Jubilee bracelet. I'll tell you a little bit about the history of this watch, then I'll tell you about the case, or where it stands in the lineup of other similar Datejusts. Then I'll tell you about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with the history. The Datejust came out in 1945. It has since gone on to be the most numerous and the most, I would say, recognizable watch from Rolex, rightfully so, and they have since gone on to make the most variations of it. So they make it in many different sizes. For ladies, it's going to be 28, 31, and 36. And this one is the mid-size, 31 millimeter, the size that most women should be wearing. And in this size, they have a lot of different variations. You can break it down by the material. This one happens to be steel and gold, steel and yellow gold, that is. But they do make it in all steel and white gold, steel and yellow gold, which is what you see here, steel and rose gold. And then they make it in all precious metals, yellow gold, rose gold, and white gold. So there's a lot of variations. I'd say all in all, there's probably several hundred variations of it. This one is going to be a pretty high up there one. It's got some pretty interesting things, which we'll go through in just a bit. All right, now I actually gone through most of it, which was the history and also where it stands in the lineup. This one is going to be at the mid-pack, I would say. It's not the cheapest. The cheapest is just steel. It doesn't have some diamonds. It does have some gold, but it's not full gold and it's not full diamonds. So it's kind of halfway through, right? And so it's going to be going to cost you somewhere around $20,000, which is not a small amount of money. It's a lot of money, but there's more expensive ones. All golds can cost you up to $60,000, I think. So even more, even. So yeah. Okay, so that is just where this watch stands in the lineup. Now let's start talking about the watch, starting with the case. The case is what holds the movement and what the dial adheres to. It is made out of stainless steel and is 31 millimeters starting from my index finger to my thumb, 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock position. It's all steel, which holds the watch very strong and securely. And yeah, looks quite nice. The next part of this watch that is actually going to be made in gold is going to be the bezel. Now the bezel is a mark of distinction. It's a part of Rolex that is, I would say, the second most iconic part of the watch, aside from the crown itself. It's the piece that everybody recognizes. So yeah, it has these sort of knife edge, and it's all made of yellow gold, which also matches the rest of the yellow gold on this watch, which is the next part, which is the bracelet. The bracelet here is going to be a Jubilee bracelet. It's the classic bracelet. They only make two kinds of bracelet for the Datejust, either Oyster or Jubilee. This one happens to be Oyster. I think this one happens to be Jubilee. I like the Jubilee a little bit better, if you ask me. It's got these 5 links across, high polish in the center with steel down the side, and it just really looks classic Rolex. Next thing here, and it doesn't have a comfort extension though. So for those who choose the Jubilee, don't expect a comfort extension. A comfort extension is something that can be expanded plus minus 5 millimeters. And it does so that you can change the length of it depending on if it's hot or cold of that day. For example, at nighttime, sometimes it can be a bit hotter, or your hand can be a little bit more swollen, so you might need to extend it. Okay, that is the bracelet. Let's look at the dial here. Now, what is interesting about this dial, this is really what makes the watch and costs that extra money. The watch actually retails somewhere around 17,000 and change, or something like that, plus tax. But it's actually selling above that, and I think the reason on the secondary market, that is, I think the reason is because of this natural beauty that this dial possesses. It is a pearl. Not only is it a pearl, they make a light pearl and they make a dark pearl. This one is a dark pearl, and each pearl is different. It's unique. It's not going to be the same as any other one. And you would think that this pearl, given that it's so beautiful, it's got hues of pink, white, black, yellow, different intensity, structure, et cetera, that you would, it's not a natural piece. It is absolutely 100% natural. It's not artificially colored. And can you imagine? It gives you this look. So that means each dial is going to be unique from any other black mother pearl. And it's a natural pearl. So yeah, I just think it's very cool, and it's what really gives this watch a mark of distinction, aside from it being Rolex. And it has diamonds on it. So then you have all natural parts, which actually makes this watch a vegan watch because there's no meat in it at all. It's all from nature. Natural diamonds and a natural dial. There you go. It's yeah. Okay, let's look at the next part, which would be the movement. The movement here is going to be a 2236 movement. It's updated from the previous generation. Now, I'm sure there's a lot that changed, but I'm not exactly sure what it is. I think it's maybe more precise or something, but anyways, you can't see it, so it's keeping good time. It's plus minus 2 seconds. That's what you need to know. Okay, let's try this watch on and give you my thoughts. My thoughts are that it is a fantastic watch given the price point, and having a Datejust in your collection is, I'm not going to say it's a must, but it's a very good thing to have. And of course, if you can afford it, and in this dial configuration, it's going to be very unique. You're not going to see many girls out there with this black mother of pearl looking like this. So I'm definitely going to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.